Hi guys, here's the Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch QLED touchscreen special for Honda Civic 2014 to 2017 years. Okay, let me review the head unit. It will come with a special harness and canvas decoder box. This is Civic power cable. Also work with the factory backup camera. This CAN system. Okay, let me show the head unit. It's built in the microphone and reset hole. This volume. You can choose the time. Logo. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Honda logo. Yes, you can change Honda logo. Okay, and theme editor you can adjust the color. With any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. All apps are here. It's built in the calculator app for the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. And built in the instructions for user manual PDF. And built-in Play Store you can download the applications from it. It's built in the Google Maps. And the head unit is built in the radio. And music, video, Bluetooth settings. Let me check settings. This settings, reset all settings. This part is common. And reset all settings. Boot logo, you can custom the boot logo. Okay. And display, there are different theme style displays. The head unit is total 9 theme style. When you can choose one weight and back to home, you can choose the launcher. It will change the theme style. And let me back the AGM car launcher. You can use it always. And navigation about device, you can check the system Android 13, 8GB and 128GB. This factory settings. Others you can change this brake with 0. If not, you can't watch video. And choose it 0, save the system will reboot. You also can change this boot logo in here. Custom search by USB or custom the logo. And this Android settings, it's built-in Wi-Fi and supports the 4G and the mobile. And this storage, you can check total 128GB. And memory, total 8GB. And BAT device, you can check the Android variant 13. Okay. Let me show the already built-in Wi-Fi. You can visit our website belsee.com, belse.com. Visit our website. Okay. And this Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. This phone Bluetooth, and click search. Your phone will get message. Please click below and make a phone call.
您好，欢迎致电中国联通。普通话请按1，广东话请按2。For English service, please click.
Okay, you also can stream music from your phone. Okay, it's streaming music from your phone, and you can now press the app music, or you can play the music from the USB or international. It supports random. This DSP amplifier balance. EQ. Sub out, or it supports the aftermarket sub out subwoofer. Okay. And if you set when you long press, you can choose music, and when you click it, it will show music app. And built in the Google Map. It's running Google navigation and music at the same time. Okay. This is a split screen. This is 4K video. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please. It's built in the Play Store. You can download the applications from it, and this YouTube video. This wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can visit our website belsee.com to contact to us. Okay. That's all. Thank you. This is for Europe version.